Easy tzatziki potato salad. The potato salad upgrade you didn't know you needed. In a large mixing bowl, combine the tzatziki, red onions, parsley, lemon zest, and salt. Whisk to combine. Add boiled potatoes in it and toss to coat. Serve at room temperature or cold. Enjoy. This 5-minute corn recipe might steal the spotlight from the main dish. Cook corn kernels in butter until they develop color on the outsides. Add the chili lime seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and zest and juice of the lime. Toss to combine and garnish with fresh parsley. Enjoy. See. Once you try grilled peaches in a salad, there's no going back. Brush peaches with melted butter. Grill each side for at least 3 to 7 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, garlic, and salt until well combined. Arrange grilled peaches on platter. Place burrata in a serving platter, cut into 8 to 10 pieces. Drizzle prepared vinaigrette evenly over salad. Finish with freshly ground black pepper if desired. Enjoy. Herb marinated veggie and chickpea salad. Whisk 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper together in a bowl until smooth. Drizzle in 1/4 cup oil while continuing to whisk until well combined. Add 1/4 cup parsley and 2 teaspoons thyme. In another bowl, add boiled chickpeas, chopped tomatoes, 1/4 cup onion. Toss well with the prepared marination. Let marinate at room temperature for at least 15 minutes. Add 5 cups lettuce and 2 cups cabbage to the bowl. Toss well to combine. Divide the salad among 4 bowls. Top with 1/3 cup Parmesan. Garnish with additional parsley if desired. Enjoy. See you in next video.